If you think you've seen every trick in the book when it comes to farming and gardening, think again. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes to reveal 8 real farm and garden hacks that most people have never seen before. These are not your typical tips. You'll learn practical hands-on solutions that actually work, whether you're managing a small backyard plot or a larger farm setup. From DIY tools to clever ways to save time and resources, each hack is designed to make your gardening smarter, easier, and more productive. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future gardening hacks, tips, and tutorials. And if you love seeing creative solutions for everyday farm and garden problems, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us keep bringing you more content like this. Stick around until the very end, because the last hack is a total game changer that will change the way you garden this season. Hack number 1. DIY soil moisture sensor with everyday items. Monitoring soil moisture is one of the simplest ways to improve plant health, but most moisture sensors are either expensive or complicated. With this hack, you can make a reliable soil moisture sensor using items you probably already have at home. All you need are a few coins, some wire, and a small container or plastic bottle. By inserting the coins into the soil in a specific way, and connecting the wire to a simple indicator, you can easily tell when your soil is too dry or just right. This not only helps prevent overwatering, which can drown your plants, but it also ensures they get exactly the moisture they need to thrive. The setup is straightforward, but the results are remarkable. Once installed, you'll notice your plants responding faster to watering, staying healthier, and producing stronger growth. This hack works for both potted plants and garden beds, and it's particularly useful if you have a large vegetable plot where checking each plant by hand would take hours. Beyond saving water and time, this DIY sensor also teaches you more about your garden's specific needs. By paying attention to the readings, you can learn which areas dry out faster, which spots hold moisture longer, and how different weather patterns affect your soil. Over time, this knowledge can transform the way you approach planting, watering, and even crop rotation, giving you healthier plants and a more productive garden overall. Hack number 2. Upcycled irrigation system for small farms. Watering a garden or small farm evenly can be a real challenge, especially during hot, dry days when some plants get too much water while others barely get any. With this hack, you can create a simple, cost-effective drip irrigation system using recycled materials you probably already have around the house. Old plastic bottles, tubing, and even discarded containers can be transformed into a steady watering system that delivers water directly to the roots of your plants. Not only does this save water, but it also ensures your plants get the exact amount they need, reducing stress and promoting stronger, healthier growth. The setup is surprisingly easy. By cutting small holes in the bottles or containers and positioning them strategically around your plants, you create a slow, consistent water flow that reaches every root zone. For larger plots, you can connect multiple containers with tubing, allowing water to travel from one plant to the next efficiently. This method works for vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even fruit bushes, making it a versatile solution for any garden layout. Over time, this upcycled irrigation system can save both time and effort. Instead of carrying heavy watering cans back and forth or worrying about uneven watering, you can set it up once and let it do the work for you. This hack also encourages observation. By watching how water moves through the system, you'll learn more about your garden's drainage patterns, soil absorption rates, and even which areas of your plot need extra attention. It's a small investment of time and effort that pays off with healthier plants, better yields, and a more sustainable, low-cost garden solution. Hack number 3. Natural pest deterrent from kitchen scraps. Pests can quickly ruin even the healthiest garden, but many chemical sprays are expensive, harsh on the environment, and can harm beneficial insects. This hack uses simple kitchen scraps to create a natural pest deterrent that keeps your plants safe without the need for harsh chemicals. Ingredients like garlic, onion peels, coffee grounds, and even leftover vegetable scraps can be combined to make a spray or soil additive that repels common pests while enriching the soil at the same time. It's an easy, sustainable approach that turns everyday waste into a powerful gardening tool. The process is straightforward. chop or blend your scraps. Mix them with water, and let the solution sit for a few hours to extract the nutrients and natural oils. Once ready, apply it directly to the soil around your plants, or lightly spray onto leaves where pests are likely to attack. Over time, you'll notice fewer insects, healthier foliage, and even an improvement in soil quality. This method works for a wide variety of plants, from vegetables and herbs to flowers and fruit trees, and it's completely safe for pets and children, making it ideal for family gardens. Beyond just repelling pests, this hack teaches you the value of using what you already have at home. By turning kitchen scraps into a gardening resource, you reduce waste and save money, all while creating a more resilient and balanced garden ecosystem. Paying attention to how your plants respond can also give you insight into the local pest patterns and soil health, helping you plan future crops more effectively. Hack number 4. Self-watering planters for busy gardeners. Keeping plants consistently hydrated can be one of the most challenging parts of gardening, especially if you have a busy schedule or a lot of plants to manage. This hack shows you how to create self-watering planters using simple materials like old bottles, jars, or containers, combined with wicks or capillary action techniques. By setting up a reservoir beneath the soil, your plants can draw water as they need it, ensuring they never dry out completely while also preventing overwatering. It's a low-maintenance solution that gives you peace of mind, whether you're growing flowers on a balcony or managing a larger vegetable garden. The process is surprisingly simple. Cut or modify a container to hold water below the soil, and use a piece of cloth, string, or other absorbent material to connect the water source to the plant's soil. As the soil dries, the water slowly travels up the wick, keeping roots consistently moist. This method works for almost any type of plant, and can be scaled up for multiple containers or larger beds. You'll quickly notice healthier growth, stronger stems, and more productive plants, because they're no longer stressed by inconsistent watering schedules. Beyond the practical benefits, self-watering planters are a clever way to conserve water and reduce your workload. Instead of checking each plant daily, refilling your reservoir every few days is often enough to keep everything thriving. Over time, you'll also learn how different plants absorb water, which spots in your garden dry out faster, and how to adjust your setup for seasonal changes. Hack number 5. Simple compost accelerator. Composting is one of the most effective ways to improve soil health, but waiting months for your compost to break down can be frustrating. This hack shows you how to speed up the decomposition process using simple everyday ingredients. Items like coffee grounds, vegetable scraps, shredded paper, and even garden clippings can be combined with a natural activator, such as a handful of soil or finished compost, to jumpstart the microbial activity. By creating the right balance of greens and browns and maintaining proper moisture, you can turn kitchen and garden waste into rich, fertile compost in a fraction of the usual time. The process is easy to follow. Layer your materials, add a little water to keep it damp but not soggy, and turn the pile regularly to introduce oxygen. Over the next few weeks, you'll notice the materials breaking down faster, producing a dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich compost that's perfect for enriching garden beds or potted plants. This accelerated composting method not only improves soil fertility, but also reduces waste, making it a win-win for both your garden and the environment. Beyond just producing compost faster, this hack teaches you a lot about soil biology and plant nutrition. It also encourages more mindful gardening, turning everyday waste into a valuable resource while giving your plants a healthy boost. Over time, using this accelerated compost can lead to stronger plants, higher yields, and a more sustainable, eco-friendly garden overall. Hack number 6. DIY frost protection for winter plants. Cold weather and unexpected frosts can seriously damage your plants, especially in late fall or early spring when tender shoots are most vulnerable. This hack shows you how to create simple, low-cost frost protection using everyday materials like old sheets, plastic bottles, cardboard, or even recycled containers. By covering your plants or creating small insulated barriers around them, you can shield them from freezing temperatures without spending a fortune on commercial frost cloths or heaters. It's an easy hands-on solution that helps your plants survive the cold while maintaining healthy growth. Setting up this frost protection is straightforward. You can drape lightweight sheets or cloths directly over plants, or build mini protective domes with plastic bottles or containers. For larger areas, cardboard or straw can act as insulation around the base of plants, keeping soil warmer for longer. The goal is to trap heat close to the plants and reduce exposure to frost, which minimizes damage to leaves, buds, and young shoots. This method works for vegetables, flowers, and even small fruit trees, giving you a versatile way to protect a variety of crops during chilly nights. Beyond preventing immediate frost damage, this hack teaches you to pay closer attention to microclimates within your garden. You'll start noticing which spots are more prone to cold, which areas retain warmth better, and how frost patterns affect different plants. By applying these simple protective techniques, you not only safeguard your garden but also extend the growing season, allowing for healthier, more productive plants even when temperatures drop. Hack number 7. Vertical gardening with pallets. Space is often one of the biggest limitations for gardeners, especially in small yards or urban plots. This hack shows you how to turn old wooden pallets into vertical gardens, creating more growing space while adding a striking visual element to your garden. By attaching pockets, containers, or simply filling the gaps in the pallet with soil, you can grow herbs, flowers, vegetables, and even small fruit plants vertically. This approach maximizes limited space, improves air circulation around your plants, and makes harvesting easier since everything is within reach. Building a vertical pallet garden is easier than it sounds. Start by securing the pallet against a sturdy wall or freestanding frame, then fill the gaps with soil and plants suited for this type of setup. You can mix and match herbs, leafy greens, and flowering plants to create a layered, productive garden that thrives even in tight areas. Regular watering and occasional fertilizing ensure that each pocket of soil provides enough nutrients for healthy growth. Over time, you'll notice not only increased yields, but also a reduction in weeds and pests, since vertical gardening changes the usual plant environment in a beneficial way. Beyond maximizing space, vertical pallet gardening teaches you creative problem solving and resourcefulness. By repurposing materials you already have, you reduce waste and create a sustainable gardening solution. Observing how plants grow in a vertical environment also gives insight into light exposure, airflow, and soil moisture distribution, helping you fine-tune your overall garden strategy. Hack number 8. Recycled water system for drought-friendly gardening. Water scarcity is one of the biggest challenges for gardeners, especially during hot summers or in regions prone to drought. This hack shows you how to set up a simple recycled water system that captures rainwater or reuses household water to keep your garden thriving. By collecting water in barrels, buckets, or large containers, and then distributing it through hoses, drip lines, or simple gravity-fed setups, you can make the most of every drop. Not only does this reduce your water bill, but it also ensures your plants stay hydrated without relying solely on municipal water supplies. The setup is surprisingly straightforward. Position containers in strategic locations to catch runoff from roofs, sinks, or showers. Then connect them to your garden using tubing or soaker hoses. Small modifications, like adding filters or screens, prevent debris from clogging the system while allowing water to flow freely. Over time, you'll notice your plants thriving even during dry spells, thanks to a consistent supply of recycled water reaching their roots directly. This method works for flower beds, vegetable plots, and even container gardens, making it versatile for any type of setup. Beyond water savings, this hack teaches you how to garden more sustainably. By observing how your plants respond to recycled water and adjusting flow rates or distribution points, you gain a better understanding of your garden's water needs. You also reduce waste and lessen your environmental impact, turning a simple resource management strategy into a powerful tool for long-term gardening success. Before you go, here's the bonus tip I promised. Consider combining several of these hacks to create a fully integrated system for your garden. For example, pairing self-watering planters with recycled water or adding a natural pest deterrent to your vertical pallet garden can take your results to the next level. The beauty of these hacks is that they're flexible and adaptable, allowing you to experiment and see what works best for your specific garden conditions. If you try any of these hacks, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Let us know which one surprised you the most, or share your own creative twist on these ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips useful. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more hands-on hacks, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Your garden and your future self will thank you for it.